Hello, and you're watching Claptrap. We are back again. I am at ACE, an exhibition which was held at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. Pragati Maidan gate number 1 पे ये जो हमारी exhibition थी. It was held for more than 15 days. By 22nd of December, it has come to an end. But there are few glimpses, very mesmerizing, extremely magnificent, बहुत ही खूबसूरत वहाँ पे हमने collection देखा था. In the previous video हमने आपको बताया था कि किस तरह से ये आप देख रहे हैं कि this is called the designer washroom, designer bathrooms. These little tiny pieces of glasses put together, created as collage in a mosaic, and this is the final product. Mr. Sachin का जो हमने ये वीडियो किया था, it's a high-end product basically. People those who are interested in designer exclusive pieces, they can get in touch with him. In fact, there are a couple of people already got in touch with him. Thanks a lot for your wonderful response and the warm, very gracious response to Mr. Sachin. Thanks a lot for watching that video. We move on now. आज के वीडियो में हम आपको बताएंगे we go to another stall. There are a couple of stalls about tiles and woods and fabrics and lights and lot of other videos you will come to see. But today we will talk about wood and ये पूरा business के लिए है. तो business to business आप कर सकते हैं. Individual pieces की थोड़ी problem है यहाँ पे क्योंकि ये individual में deal नहीं करते. ये B2B है. Let's begin the video. Still you can get in touch with him. इनके numbers हम आपको description box में देंगे.
Hello, Mr. Shyam.
Good evening.
Good evening. Sir, tell us about this store.
Well, iCraft Indonesia was established 32 years ago. We principally are a structural wood company where we make structures, roofing, flooring, decking. Our principal core business is for hotels.
Okay.
We started there 32 years ago, and as time has evolved, we have gone from structural furniture to loose furnitures, and for the last 8 years we are also in the handicraft business, and the company as such iCraft, I for Indonesia and the craft aspect for the fact that we make crafted furniture. Our factory is based in Central Java, and our core business is that we will do all our furnitures handmade.
All right.
Yes,
Wonderful.
and so as a craftsman's furniture, so the joy of using the furniture and the pleasure of having that in your house.
Superb. And we are acquainted with Indian woods and how it is different from Indonesian woods, because in India people use a lot of teak woods, a lot of shisham wood. Which wood is the particular wood in Indonesia used?
The furniture itself that we produce, 80% of them is in teak.
Okay.
Our teak is Indonesian teak.
Okay.
Currently in the world market, the best teak comes from Burma, and the second comes from Indonesia.
Second is from Indonesia. Okay.
All our wood is legal. We buy it from the government, and it is registered by the government.
That's very important. Otherwise, deforestation is the problem, and people shout about it.
Yes, and for every tree that is harvested, we have a CSR program where we plant 4 trees back onto the land.
Oh, okay.
So that's a communal commitment that every international factory based in Indonesia has to do. There is a payment back, so whenever we load a container, the cubic meters are calculated, and the state government comes and inspects the load prior to loading.
Wow.
And then they calculate and tell us the number of trees that we have to plant on for the number of loadings we have taken.
Okay.
So this is giving back to Mother Earth what we have taken from it.
Right, exactly. Generally people propagate that this is the same as being replicated in India.
Yeah.
Indian is also doing the same thing, but I'm not sure they exactly are doing it.
Okay.
But I will not get into the controversy now.
No, but the idea is that we are involved with the state on this, and we are happy to do it.
Okay, glad. So there are 2 aspects of wood being used in the home decor. One is the furniture, second one is the art object.
Yeah.
In art objects you have plenty of them. Everything is made in Indonesia.
Every single piece is made at the factory, yes.
All right.
Yeah.
But there's a huge import duty involved, so how do you beat with the pricing?
No, between Indonesia and India, we have an AFTA agreement whereby there is no duty brought in.
All right.
We only have to pay the 18% government services tax, and as such the product becomes cheaper when compared to bringing in countries from where you have duty bound.
All right.
From Indonesia to India, there is no duty on our furniture.
So now even Indians can have pleasure of some furniture from Indonesia.
Enjoy the pleasures of having furniture from Indonesia.
Okay.
Yes.
So now the next question is, you are available for both business to business and also for retail.
We are principally a factory manufacturer, and our principal core business is B2B.
Okay.
We do not get involved from B2C.
All right.
That will be handled by our stockists, which
Okay.
are appointed in each region of India. For
right.
each different regions, we have different stockists, and those
Okay.
stockists then deliberate the business to the consumer or business to the retailer.
All right.
We don't get involved.
So
in
let's
that
make
process.
this purpose, though it was not, but let's make the purpose now. Suppose there is somebody seeking for a business, B2B business from
Yep.
you. Probably, somebody in down south, they want to start up their own store. They can get in touch with
They
you.
can get in touch with us, they communicate with us, and we will connect them to our stockist at the nearest point.
All right.
So for
Right now
each
you have a
region, we have our own stockist.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have a stockist right now? Where does he locate?
Yes, the whole of South India, we have already appointed stockists.
Okay.
In some states, we're already there for the last 10, 12 years.
Oh, lovely.
For states like Kerala and Chennai, we've been there for the last 12 years already.
All
So
right.
further up north, we have not. This is our first visit to Delhi.
Okay,
The
lovely.
idea of participating in this exhibition is to find out whether such furniture will be of interest to the market.
Sure.
And then we have found a fantastic response to our products.
Yeah, I can see this is
Yeah.
very similar to Indian art workmanship.
Workmanship.
It's not
and,
very
and
different.
With such a resounding response to what we do, we definitely, over the last 1 week, we have already engaged the stockist, and we expect that a lot of the retailers will be carrying our product by middle of next year.
All right, superb.
Yes.
Pleasure talking to you, sir.
Pleasure.
I'll just have a look around what all you have available
Yeah.
and in what range.
Yeah.
Is it possible somebody can actually escort me around in the store and
Sure,
tell me?
I can get somebody to take you around and show you the product.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Pleasure talking to you, Mr. Shyam.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Now the most interesting part, we'll talk about some products, starting with this thick work. And before we do that, introduce Mr. Vishnu.
Hi.
Hi, Mr. Vishnu. How are you doing?
Fine, good.
We were talking to Mr. Shyam. And he told us about the store.
Yeah.
Just show us what kind of products you have available.
Yeah,
in
sure,
the
I will
store.
explain.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Basically, as per Mr. Shyam, we are from Indonesia.
Right.
So this is all the teakwood for teakwood hand carved designs. Okay. This is completely made with the one solid wood and all be hand carved.
All right.
Okay. This is a Ramayana.
Uh-huh.
It's a Ramayana design.
Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay. All right. Yeah, this is the story of Ramayana crafted.
Yeah, it's the story of Ramayana.
Uh-huh.
And as well, we make all. This is teakwood. It's completely teakwood. Okay, you can keep in the outdoor and indoor. There's no problem.
All right.
Okay. As well,
And
this is,
what range does it come in? This size?
this is will be 1 meter.
Huh?
1.2.
1 point.
Yeah.
All right. So one is two. This is 2
This is
feet.
65,
Uh-huh.
60, and the length is 1.2.
Okay. And how much is this for in Indian rupees?
Indian rupees now is price 1,15,000.
1,15,000.
1,15,000.
All right. You have a couple of them.
Yeah, we
All
have.
right.
This is the Last Supper.
Uh-huh.
It's a 3-dimensional carving of Last
Right.
Supper.
Right. Cool. In the same range, you have one more Ramayana.
Yeah, this Ramayana is a little bit. The length is 1 meter.
Uh-huh.
This is 1 meter. That's why the price is different. So 1 meter.
Okay. All right. Cool. And then you have these some animal series also.
Yeah. We have
Okay.
this. This is made by Indonesian Indonesian rainforest wood. This
Okay.
wood is called meh wood.
Uh-huh.
It's Indonesian wood.
Uh-huh.
All this type of small handicraft we made with the meh wood.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right. This is for 24,000 rupees. Then there's a ship. Again,
This
made
ship
in-
is a 28,000 rupees. This is also completely made from the teak wood.
All right.
Yeah.
Cool. And this Buddha is which wood? Is
Yeah, Buddha is a meh wood. You can. This is like this. You can see in the Balinese style. It's a Balinese style. Okay.
Okay.
It's a Buddha is a
And
meh wood.
it's for 24,000 rupees
Yep, yep.
approximately. Cool. We go to the next one.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Okay. Ganpati is also.
This is
coming.
also Ganesha, Ganapati. These are 4,800 rupees.
What wood is used in this?
This is actually we call white wood. It's a traditional, like it's Indonesian natural wood.
All right. This is seasonal, basically treated
Of course,
wood.
all the wood are
All the
being
woods are seasoned. All
because
right.
the moisture content of all the wood is below 12%.
Okay. All right. And the moisture level is
12%.
12%.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. We go to this one is for how much?
It's a
Ganpati?
4,800 rupees.
4,800 rupees. It's in one single piece wood.
Yeah, one single.
Okay. There are a few more products
Yeah, sure.
we'll show around. I know it's very difficult to actually brief everything.
Yeah.
We'll cover what all you have, and also my favorite part. And this is the one. And this is the one I was talking about, the light
Yeah,
part.
this is actually This
Okay.
is a coffee root, coffee tree, the coffee wood. Okay, and with the glass, it's we made from the Bali in Indonesia.
I have
in
couple of them
Yeah.
at my place, and
Yeah,
I always wanted to know how this is made. Is this handmade?
No, this is not handmade. It's a
Okay.
root. It's a root wood. It's a,
No, I understand this is the piece of wood.
Yeah.
But then how does this glass take shape?
Yeah,
of
the
this?
glass we make as per this.
When it is molten.
Yeah, as per the
when
mold.
it is soft.
Yeah.
Okay. You're selling it for 8,500 rupees. This one is for 6,500 rupees.
Yeah, because of the dia. This is 20
Right.
centimeter. This is 30 centimeter.
All right. Okay. In the same range, and then we go to the eye, all eyes on the most attractive part, those mushrooms.
Yeah.
This again
mushroom.
is made of wood.
Mushroom is actually the mother of pearl. I will explain. It's a
We'll
mother
go
of
close.
pearl with a resin.
All right. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. We'll
Yeah.
go close to it. All right.
Actually, this is we made with the mother of pearl. This is we get from the Balinese design. Actually, Balinese from the Bali. We're making this one. This is the mother of pearl and with the resin and the light inside.
All
This
right.
is the 3 pieces of. It's outdoor lawn. We can use in the outdoor lawn.
Okay.
Lawn
Mother
area.
of pearls in the epoxy fab. What is the rest of the material? This is plastic?
Yeah,
Acrylic?
epoxy.
Epoxy.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. And what is the height of this? One side?
This is around 90 centimeter, 85 to 90 centimeter.
All right. And how much is this for? The set of 3?
This is 74,000.
Huh?
74,000.
Okay. 74,000
Set
rupees.
of 3.
All right. Now there's a very small comparison because I've been following furniture for last 6 months very extensively, comparing a lot of Indian buyers, a lot of Indian manufacturers available. This is the overall look of the store. Okay. Now we come back to the most interesting comparative analysis between the Indian furniture and Indonesian. This sofa, if I talk about,
I'll explain you.
This is
This
two-seater.
sofa completely made with the teak wood. Okay, there is a different type of teak is available in Indonesia.
Right.
Especially we are doing A grade teak.
Okay.
Okay, this is we made with the A grade teak. So what is A grade teak means? There is no white part. Okay.
Oh,
there is no
okay.
white part. The teak especially come from the mountain area. Okay, so there is no white part and the finishing. This finishing is a different finishing. We use a PU finish.
Okay.
Okay. In India, normally we get the melamine finish.
All right.
We call the polish. It's a melamine finish, lacquer. But we are using the PU finish.
All right.
It's a polyurethane.
Cool.
Polyurethane finish, and this finishing is not harmful for the health. It's
Right.
a melamine finish. The smell is it's not good. The smell
Right,
for the
right.
health. But this PU finish is very good for the health, and if it's a small baby, so bite, there is no issue.
Okay. This again is seasoned and treated properly.
Of course, all the
Okay.
wood we make it with the season.
Okay. Now the most interesting part of my video.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to compare the kind of furniture we have in India. How much are you selling this for?
This price is 2-seater plus single seater plus the table. The selling price is 1,05,000 rupees.
This is for
1,05,000.
Okay. So we are talking about 3 plus
2
3,
plus
211.
Yeah.
211 with
Plus table.
plus
Coffee
table.
table. Yeah.
How much you said?
1,05,000.
1,05,000 rupees. All right. Okay. Cool. I think it's fairly decent now. Okay. I think we have taken a short overall tour to your store. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Yeah.
Very noisy. I understand that. That's the reason I'm screaming. I hope you are audible to my viewers.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Vishnu. Thanks
Thank
a lot
you,
for
thank you.
talking to us.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम टी एस रावत है और मैं बिज़नेस हेड हूँ सर्वोदय ट्रेडर्स का। बेसिकली हम होम फर्निशिंग स्टोर है बेस्ड एट कीर्ति नगर फर्नीचर ब्लॉक। इस समय कस्टमर्स के लिए हम एक बहुत अच्छी स्कीम लाए हैं। 5,000 की शॉपिंग पे एक स्क्रैच कार्ड दे रहे हैं। उस स्क्रैच कार्ड में कस्टमर को कुछ ना कुछ इनाम निकलेगा, जिसमें कि सेट ऑफ कुशन कवर हैं, 1,000 रुपये का गिफ्ट वाउचर है और एक कपल मूवी टिकट भी है। उसके अलावा एक 10,000 की शॉपिंग पे एक हम लकी ड्रॉ है, जो कि कोई भी कस्टमर जिसकी शॉपिंग 10,000 से ऊपर है वो विन कर सकता है ट्रिप टू गोवा, विच इज़ फुली सपोर्टेड बाय अस, ऑल पेड, एंड कस्टमर्स को नीड नॉट टू स्पेंड एनी सिंगल रुपी ऑन इट। थैंक यू वेरी मच।